Welcome back. In which blood corpuscle the HIV undergoes replication and produces progeny viruses? This is straightforward factual question. It is CD4 T cells. CD4 T cells are called T helper cells. So option 3 is the answer. This is NCERT reference. HIV enters helper T lymphocytes, replicates and produces progeny viruses. So this leads to progressive decrease in the number of helper T lymphocytes. And because T lymphocytes are affected, depleted in HIV patients, both the arms of adaptive immune system is affected, B cells and T cells. B cells is humoral immunity, T cell is cell-mediated immunity. And this is the reason these patients become immunodeficient. Next question. This is the last question of this paper. I have discussed this in human physiology section also. But since it is related to immune system, I am discussing it here again. Which of the following statements are correct? Basophils are the most abundant cells of the total WBC. This is incorrect statement because basophils are the least abundant. So A is incorrect. Strike out A. Then basophils secrete histamine, serotonin and heparin. This is correct. B is correct, but B is only in option number 1. So this is the answer. Basophils are involved in inflammatory response. Correct. Basophils have kidney-shaped nucleus. This is incorrect. It is monocyte. They have kidney-shaped. And basophils are agranulocyte. Again, this is incorrect. They are granulocytes. So please by heart this table. This gives the differential leukocyte count. Neutrophils are the highest in number, 60 to 65%, followed by lymphocytes, 20 to 25%. Then is monocytes, eosinophils, and finally basophils, 0.5 to 1%. They are the least abundant. Neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, they all have granules and they are called granulocytes. Monocytes and lymphocytes, they are called agranulocyte. And this column has the characteristic shape of nucleus of each and every cell.